Hello friends. So in this video we will check how to implement a search functionality in Windows application using C Sharp and backend is on SQL Server. So we have implemented one bumper box that will include first name, last name, phone and email. And here on text box also there. Okay. So first time it will load all data. Okay. So here we will search like let's say C and we will click this button. Then it will load only search instructions. Okay, we will clear this and search again. It will have all data. Then we can check with the last name. We will check with the David. That time Stella David only will show. Search here. See if we get this result. Okay. Then based on phone number, we will check 9056 search. See, we are getting Romance reference. Okay. Then we will check with email, search with Virat, then Virat Kohli. Okay. So how we can implement this using C Sharp and Windows applications. And backend is an SQL Server. Okay. So open Visual Studio 2022, create new project, then next, gridview search, then next, create project. So form is loaded now. Need one label, text box, rainbow box, data grid view, and one button. Then by press search bar, so will be search. We can remove that. So maybe CMD search. Then text search button search. Name you can change it to search. Data grid view name DG. So we have one table, custom, contains first name, last name, phone number, and email. Based on that, we need to search the that. Okay. We could code. First we can. So first we need to install the SQL Database. So we go to browse, search SQL, Microsoft Data SQL client, just install, apply or accept. Then declare one variable, SQL view, server explorer, add connection. Go to SQL Server and select that. Laboratories option, yes, certificate, free code in DB, with word browse, select the connection. Okay, connection is working, so just paste it here. And SQL connection, CO, okay. So we need to search the first name, last name, phone, ID. Okay, first name, last name, phone, ID, phone, ID. So we need to add these connections. Okay. First, we can just load that data table. So we can give private void load system. It was not designed too much, okay. So here we can tell user CO equal to new SQL connection. We need to pass this connection string. Still what? Still. Then CO dot open SQL data SQL is equal to SQL data. Here we can pass the code, right? So first we can use SQL equal to select star from first. We are passing this code. Here we need to print it, right? So SQL, comma, we can get connection. Then that table data is equal to new data table. Then we need to fill the data. Fill it. Then data grid view dot data source is equal to date. Now we can load this in this formula. Go to events, look on load, then the next. Now we will run. So our data is loaded now. Okay. So now what we want based on this, we need to search. So first name we will give here we need to add something. Then search here. Then we need to filter that data. Okay. So default it will come first name only. We need to change this down to things also. Okay. So in the search first drop down style is equal to drop down list. Okay. And the four we can fill out. Then the search dot selected index equal to. So the button search, we need to search this vector. So we can use the same tool. Same thing, okay. So SQL we can tell string dot empty. Then the first we need to check CMD search dot selected index equal to source means first name, right? Then we can tell SQL is equal to selected star from customer word first name. We can tell like okay, what like let's search and test. Here we can put some percentages. Okay. I'll save CMD search dot selected index equal to one. Then this last number. So our score is equal to mass. So all these things need to work only the text dot search has any data. That I only need to check. Okay, so we can tell text dot search dot text dot length greater than 0. Then only we need to check these conditions. Okay, so next is to two. So two means inverted machines. It is full, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is full. Even. Okay. Okay, now we can just check. So it is not about data. Here, the first search based on first name. So we can type from John and search, then the John data only. It is. We will remove this search. Okay, so in this case, we need one more condition here. If text dot search length greater than 0, then we need to show this. Either one is the normal. We need to show all letters. Scale is equal to select star for custom. Now we can run this. So first name is say search. It is searching. We will remove this and search. Then all data will come. And last name you can RH regular. Then third report will come. Just search all data will load here. And phone number 8. So such a worker should come to email. So fifth record. Okay. So it's working, right? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of contents, then please subscribe.